I'm in Claude Code right now, and let's say use this command which we normally use to create agents. I will click this one, and this is where you will get an option create new agent. Let's build a new one. We will create project level agent. Okay, our first agent is going to be developer agent. Okay, now it is asking what different tools you have to select. Let's select the model Sonnet, and I will give it blue. Okay, it's like building something. Okay, project level is scope, and this is good, and confirm and save. Let's say yes. Okay, now take a look here. So I will explain in a minute. Okay, now let's try to build another agent. So our second agent is going to be tester agent. Okay, continue. Model is selected, and let's select something like yellow. It's close to like amber. Okay, and it's saved. Now if you see here, right, now let's try to create another one last one to review the code. Okay, continue. Model is Sonnet, and yes, and let's select. Okay, so let's select the background color. Probably we can give, let's say green. That's fine, and it's done. Now take a look here. Okay, so it created .claude, then we have agent memory, and then it created this agents folder, and we have our 3 custom agent has been created. Okay, now let's look this one. Okay, so this is our developer agent. So you need to provide the name, you need to provide the description, what your agent is all about. Okay, and then few other things. Now let's build something. Now look here. Okay, so this is what I am going to build: a minimal task management app using 3 agents in sequence. Developer agent would be responsible to build the code, tester agent would be responsible to testing the code, and reviewer agent would be responsible to reviewing the code. Okay, now take a look here. The main thing is that how it is working. Look here. Okay, so if you look carefully, this is our main agent, right, which is a Claude agent. Okay, but internally, now if you see here which agent is now active, take a look here: build task management React app. And look here, this, the color sequence. So that is what we do, right? When we create the agent, you specify color and model, right? So it is going to use the Sonnet model, and this way you will be knowing that which sub agent is working right now. Developer done. Launching the tester agent now. On the bottom, this is what you see: testing agent work is done, and now it is launching the final reviewer. So our last agent is inactive now. So entire code is completed, all your test cases and everything is done, and now code review is in progress. Now take a look, the agent prompt so was built and tested, and you are the final reviewer. Render a decisive safe fix verdict. Okay, so this is result of the review agent. Developer done, tester done, 0 high, 5 medium, 7 low, and based on that review, this is what we have got it. Okay, so anyway, so my idea was to showcase that how the agents work. Run the app now in browser. Okay, so here it is, the app which we created. We have our task board, added a new task TBD. We are clicking this one, and here the task is created. Okay, so now app is running. Let's try to understand a little bit concepts. Okay, so let me use this agent command one more time. And if you see here, no sub agents are running. If you go under library, you will see this built-in agents, and then you will see the project agents. Now Claude is already have built-in agents, which you have Claude Code guide, explore, general purpose, plan, and status inline. So what happens whenever in the most of the cases, right, when we interact with the Claude and we ask anything, so they already have this, they use these built-in agents. Also, sometimes when it finds that the work is longer, it will spawn some more sub agents internally itself. The one which we created, that is called the custom agents, and that is what you see here, right? Project agents, that is what we see. So these are the custom agents which we created it. Now when these agents which we created, and when we give our prompts, Once again, I mean, if you guys remember, there was a main. That main agent is nothing but this is your main Claude agent. Okay, and then we had our own custom agents, specialized agents. So this main agent was interacting with these sub agent. When Claude automatically takes care, right, why you have to go and use your custom agents? So there could be a couple of reasons. So normally in a team, there would be someone who is a specialized developer, there is someone who is tester, and who is someone who is a specialized reviewer. So in other words, right, just like as a developer doesn't perform all these three things, perfectly at the same time, same happens with the AI as well. So it has been found that custom agent, right, even in the AI, if you create it, it performs better. One of the most important reason is that the context. I will put this command context and see here what happened. So you have this free space 134.1k, and then take a look here, custom agents 1.2k tokens. So if you do not create sub agents, the way it works that your entire context gets filled within the main agent itself. So in other words, you will have just one main agent that is going to do your developer work, that is going to test your work, and that is going to do your reviewer work. So all three responsibility the main agent is going to do, main Claude agents. And therefore what happens that if you have a little bit lengthy work, right, it is going to fill up the entire context. So whatever the skills it is using, whatever the Claude.md it is using, any search function, any tools it is going to use. So entire context goes into the main agent context itself. When you use a sub agents, what happens that sub agents create their own context. So it will have their own Claude.md, it will have their everything, all the projects level context, tools level context, everything. They get their own. Once your sub agents are done, all it does that it transfer that information, it summarize that findings, the result, and give back to the main agent. So that is one of the best benefits. Now the question is that when exactly you will be using the custom agent and when you will be using Claude agent, right, the pre-built one. So the decision is actually up to you. You just ask a question that in a normal the team environment, is this task can be done by a single developer? If it is, then go with the Claude itself. Do not need to create the custom agent. But if you think that there is a task which needs to be shared between the multiple people, in that case you go and you create your custom agents. So that wraps up this episode. Thank you so much.